Hello friends, let us see what is simple future tense and future continuous tense. First, let's take future tense. Why do we need to use future tense? When we want to share events, actions and happenings that are likely to take place in the future, we do this by using sentences in the future tense. We also use future negative tense for events that will not occur in the future. Let's start with an example. I will go out to pluck flowers. So will indicates that the action hasn't occurred yet. I haven't plucked flowers yet. I'm going to pluck them. So simple future tense is a verb tense that talks about things that haven't happened yet. The action or condition will begin or end in the future. Let's take another example. Will you go to your school today? Again, will indicates that the action go is in simple future tense. Now, how do we construct a sentence in simple future tense? First, will plus verb. Now, let's learn how to make a sentence in simple future negative tense. The formula is will plus not plus the verb. I will not go to the flower exhibition. Now let's look at the different verbs in simple future tense. First, to ask, simple future is will ask and negative is will not ask. So will plus the verb, and for negative, will plus not plus the verb. To work, the simple future is will work, negative is will not work. To call, will not call. To use, will not use. To be, will not be. And finally, to have, the simple future tense is will have and the negative is will not have. So remember, will plus the verb for simple future and will plus not plus the verb for simple future negative. Now, how do we ask questions in simple future tense? The sentence will start with will and then the subject and the verb. Will you come home for lunch today is the sentence in simple future tense. So the formula is will plus the subject and then plus the verb and obviously the question mark. Now that we have learned simple future tense, let us see future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? It indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. So future and it's continuing. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister will be hoisting our national flag at Red Fort. Will indicates that it's going to happen or it's in the future, and will be hoisting means that the action is continuing in the future for an expected length of time. Surabhi will be representing our school in district level running race. So will be plus the verb plus ing. I will be staying with my grandma. Again, future continuous tense because the action hasn't occurred yet and it's continuing for a period of time. Now, what is the formula for future continuous tense? It's will plus be plus the present participle. It's verb plus ing. So the parent-teacher meeting will be starting at 12 p.m. today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.